Hey guys, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of this dance is called Lovers Interlude. It is a one wall dance and it is an easy beginner dance. Okay, so check out the demo at the end. So if you want to dance with the music, check the demo at the end. If you're in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And last but not least, I would like to give a personal shout out to everyone who registered for the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 24th, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Thank you guys for your support. I see your registration. Thank you. And I see that you have booked your room. Also, I would like to give a shout out to those who've never attended an event out of town. And you're taking this opportunity to come to New Orleans and share that experience with us. Thank you so much. The NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. If you're interested in attending, please visit our website for detailed information to register and to book your room. Come along for the fun. www.LMIUNOLA.com, and I'll see you there. So guys, let's go. So this is a nice beginner's line dance, okay? So it's gonna start off with a side rock recover, weave back and front. Okay, so the weight will be on your left. I think I'm gonna turn this way right here. Okay, so I just want you to see this part right here. So you go a side rock recover, step front and back. Do it on the left. Side rock recover, front and back. All right, so you do it on the right and the left. So the weight starts on the left. 1, recover 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, recover. Just like that on the right and left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left 5, recover 6, 7, and 8. Then you go into a salsa step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Salsa. Up 1, 2, back 3, and 4. We're going to do a half turn, so I'm going to turn it here. So I just want you to see that part. So turn here, and let's review what we just did, and then we'll make that half turn. And instead of you looking back at the camera, we'll be dancing side by side. So someone asked me, why don't I face the camera? If I go from the side, we're dancing along together, okay? So sometimes the side wall is best, sometimes the back wall is best. Never facing the camera, okay? So just think about that for a minute. Here we go, side rock recover. On the right, the weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock recover, weave back and front. Left side rock recover, weave back and front. Go to a salsa. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We pivot half turn. Right, left, right, left. Okay, that's pretty much part 1. And from here, we're going to do it again. Side rock recover. 1, 2, weave 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, weave 7 and 8. Salsa. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Now, when you do that pivot half turn, 1, 2, into your jazz square, you really want to do a triple step, but you're not. Use 1, 5, 6, right, left, right, left. That's all. Don't do a triple step. Okay, so let's put that together and then we'll move on. The next step we're going to do is going to all walls, and we just alternate. And I'm going to show you that when we get to it. Okay, side rock recover. 5, 6, 7, 8. no triple step. Okay, side rock recover. 1, 2, weave, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7 and 8. Salsa 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, half 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so here you're gonna shuffle up, right, left, right, right. So let me do it from this wall here. So what you're doing from this point on here, you're doing all 4 walls. And let me show you what you're doing. You go 1 and 2, 3, 4, left 5, then 6, 7, 8, right 1 and 2, 3, 4, left 5, then 6, 7, 8, till you get back to the front. So watch me and I'm gonna come back and get you. Because at one point, you're gonna have to look back at the camera. I'm going to all 4 walls. Watch me and I'm gonna come back and get you. Up on the right. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4, left 5, then 6, back 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, left 5, then 6, 7, 8. So see how I alternated that? Okay, so I say here, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Turn on 3, 4. With the shoulder coming back, quarter turn. Go up on the left. 1 and 2, turn 3, 4. On 4, you're going to be at your next wall. Up on your right, so you just alternate. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Left. 1 and 2, 3, 4. So I go up on the right. Right, left, right, turn left, right. Up on the left. Left, right, left, back, right, left. Up on the right. Right, left, left foot. Left, right, left. I'm just alternating. Okay? So just like I stood here, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So all I did was take that movement and alternate to each wall. Doing this wall here first. And at 4, I make sure I'm at my new wall. Then I alternate the footwork. That's all I'm doing. So that's part 2. So let's go to side rock recover. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 1, 2, weave 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Salsa 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, weave 3 and 4. Rock recover 5, 6, 7 and 8. Salsa 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Half 5, 6, 7, 8. When you do that, the last step is on the left. So then you go up there with that shuffle. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Last step was on the left. From here, you end with a cha-cha up and a cha-cha back. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. End of dance. You back at your wall, same wall, 1 wall dance, and you start over. No tags, no changes. What I mean by tags mean you get a little extra music in there, about 8 counts, and you have to do something else. You don't have to do that. Bridges, a bridge is, you might get some extra instrumental or some rapping or something that makes the music sound different. That's a bridge. You don't have that. A change. What is a change? A change is changing up the rotation of the dance. So instead of doing part 1, you need to start doing part 2 2 times. We don't have that. Okay, every part that I taught you in order, you're going to constantly do it in order. So that's no changes, no tags, no bridges, okay? So we start with the side rock recover, with the weave, you do that, you do your half turn, and you cross over, you do it at the front and back wall, you shuffle up and you slide back at each wall, and then you wind up doing your cha-cha up with the rock recover and take it back, and you start the dance over again. So let's go over it again. Here we go. So you have everything that you need. I know I'm doing a lot of talking, so can I explain why I talk so much? because I talk, so there's a difference. So there's a difference in just teaching you steps, just teaching you the step. But sometimes when I take a little time to explain to you, you understand what you're doing. When you do that and it comes to another dance, you understand the concept. And that's what I'm trying to get y'all, the guys, to understand the concept. Every dance is pretty much the same. It's gonna have a part one, a part two. It might have a tag, a bridge, or whatever. If you understand that concept, if you understand that template, you understand every line dance. And that's what I'm trying to do. Okay? All right, here we go. Start over from the top. Side rock recovery, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, back, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, cross 7, 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. Salsa 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Back 3, 4. Left 5 and 6. Back 7. Turn 8. Up 1 and 2. Turn 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, and cha-cha. 1 and 2. Rock 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and start the dance again. That is, what's that? The name of that dance again? Interlude. Lovers Interlude. Okay? Don't forget to check out the demo at the end where we can dance together, okay? Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see y'all guys there. If you've never been to an event, instructors, gather your crew. I promise you this would be a beautiful experience out of town. Your first event, NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for detailed information, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.